So it's up to you and how you're able to position yourself to do that. But in order for you to do that, syempre aral ka muna.
Right.
Understand muna yung value mo of how you do it and how you can help the business drive sales.
Right.
So once you get there, it's much easier for you to understand kung magkano ba yung kaya mong i-presyo for that particular business.
Right. Sir, we would like to... Sir, what is triple E ranking strategy? Baka pwede nyo kaming para sa mga medyo may idea na dito, ano yung triple E ranking strategy natin?
Yes, so ito yung na-coin ko na strategy in SEO, no? When it comes to how am I able to deliver parang results sa business in terms of organic. So we got the first E would probably be exceptional na performance sa website. The triple E, yung pinakaunang exceptional performance involves more of yung technical aspect, which is yung technical SEO. No? You needed to attend to yung example, pagiging mobile optimized ng website. You needed to yung speed na, which is na-discuss natin kanina about the speed. No? And then we also got yung tinatawag na indexing, wherein yung pages ng mga website mo should be easily be crawled by Google bot o yung search bot ni Google, no? Para mas mabilis siyang may index. So that's for the exceptional performance, no? And then the second one would be the engaging content. So engaging content, it dapat maging magnet siya for the website to something that compels people to drive like shares, likes, even comment dun sa content na yun if it's a blog post.
Yeah.
And it really drives conversation dun sa post.
Engagement.
And then we also got yung exceptional na links, no, which is the last one. Yung exceptional links, these are yung triple E strategy kasi for example, when you have a content ready sa website, mag-ano yan, parang hanapin niya, i-strike niya yung balance kung saan siya magra-rank. But in order for you to push it into the much more higher in terms of ranking, you needed to have like strong links to really parang beef up yung content, no, that it pushes the content to be on the top 3 spots ng Google. So this is parang, I could say na parang pinaka bread and butter ng triple E ranking strategy.
Wow.
So, ayan.
And this strategy, sir, ito yung mga mini-mention mo kapag nagkakaroon ka ng mga seminar, mga workshop sa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas, sir?
Actually, iba-iba eh.
Iba-iba naman.
There are certain audiences na hindi pa nila masyadong maiintindihan yon. But I could say na maliban doon sa nakoy namin ng triple E ranking strategy, it's also the parang fundamentals din na we needed to share sa mga attendees in order for them to understand, ito pala yung mga dapat kong i-take into consideration when doing SEO for my website or for my clients. Okay. So, ayun. Na-explain ko siya but I'm not tagging it as the triple E ranking strategy. Pero technically yun na rin yung
meet nung triple E. I see. And sir, malapit na tayo sa last parts ng ating interview, sir. So, we sent you sa phone mo yung mensahe ng isa sa mga fans ng Usap Usap University, sir. Si Sir Joseph Laksamana. So, ngayon, tinitingnan mo na yata dyan sa ano mo, sir. So, maraming tanong yun, sir. Baka gusto mong pumili na sagutin kasi iba malamang nasagot mo na, sir, no?
Ayun. So, one of the questions was, how much does SEO can earn in 1 month?
How much?
How much?
Talagang so, yung presyo agad.
So, I think it involves nung yung parang interest in and getting a SEO career moving forward, no, when you're wanting to have parang online freelancing career, no? And then you establish yourself as an SEO specialist. Marami. For starters, I would eventually suggest na if hindi kasi ako naniniwala dun sa parang fake it till you make it na.
No.
So, especially sa SEO, you need to really deliver results. And for you to understand that, it requires a little bit of experience talaga. Like, let's say, for a start, you can start, I could say, joining in. Ito yung ano ko, siguro pre-question doon sa main question of how much.
Preload natin.
So, it's important na I think yung pinakamagandang career path, not saying na it's parang for everyone, no, na I think pinakamaganda is you get a job within an agency, a marketing agency, and under an SEO position, so you get to know and parang papalakasin mo yung skill set mo when it comes to doing SEO. For this one, I think typically yung range ng SEO parang monthly retainer ng SEO for
average
SEO,
ng average,
somewhere around $800 to $1,000 per month. So that's
not bad.
approximately
nasa 40, 50,
50,000.
Sure.
If you're doing it online, then I think it's already a lucrative parang income source for even if it's a full-time job. But over time, when you get more experience in SEO, you can understand how it impacts doon sa pinaka-sales ng business, no? Yung tinatawag nating revenue line, wherein you understand na yung ROI ng SEO could bring the business like even
millions
of dollars.
Sure.
No? Then you can eventually know how much you're charging, even if it's like 10% of the actual income na kinukuha nila for the business.
Right.
So it's also a way of you positioning yourself to really help out the business, no, in terms of money making. No? The businesses, they don't care much about how much they give you as long as they see ROI, yung sinasabi mong ROI, no? Income nila with you helping them out sa side ng business na yan. So it's up to you and how you're able to position yourself to do that. But in order for you to do that, syempre aral ka muna.
Right.
Understand muna yung value mo of how you do it and how you can help the business drive sales.
Right.
So once you get there, it's much easier for you to understand kung magkano ba yung kaya mong i-presyo for that particular business.
Right. Sir, we would like to know sa kapag meron kang kliyente na meron, for example, isang small or maybe medium enterpriser. So, gaano ba katagal yung whole process ng pag-i-improve ninyo na ma-optimize niyo yung kanilang website, sir? Usually, mga ilang months ba siya? Ilang weeks ba siya? Yung period usually, sir, on average?
Yes, people should understand na yung SEO is not a sprint. Like, compared to paid advertising na abrupt yung results. Like, for example, nag-ads ako sa Facebook or Google ngayon, the next day, pwede na akong makakuha ng mga
leads,
isa, dalawa, tatlong leads. Well, SEO, it takes time to build. Yung sabi ko nga, parang puno siya. But for websites, no,
usually,
kasi iba-iba yung, may mga website na bagong gawa. Meron kaming tinatawag na parang sandbox period, wherein yung first 6 to 8 months ng website, wala pa masyadong traction yun. Hindi mo makikita yung ginagawa mo, just keep on doing it. Siguro minimal na magdadagdagan, like say, 10 traffic every month, 50 traffic, 100 traffic, until it gets 500, exponential.
Oh, sure, definitely.
But for parang mga malalaking websites na matagal nang na naging up sa web, no, and then it already had some history of SEO, pero more on the fine-tuning part. As early as dalawang buwan, you can actually get parang results, yung mga quick wins, kasi we try to understand that in the strategy how we're able to achieve quick wins din sa business, no?
Right.
To really show the business owners that it really works for the business, no?
Right.
Yan. So, for newer websites, siguro it takes like 6 to 8 months.
Medyo mas matagal siya. Depende naman. It varies.
Pero yung sa mga matagal na website, let's say more than 2 years, mga website had some links already, medyo butata sa content, pero kailangan mo lang ayusin ng kaunti, magkakaroon na siya ng resulta.
Right.
It can range for like 2 months, 3 months, you can already get some results out of it.
Okay. And sir, maraming salamat, sir. And before we finally end, baka gusto mo pong i-plug yung mga ginagawa niyo, sir. Ano yung mga next niyo na mga activities for this year, 2020? And Also, maybe you can tell them a little bit how you can be contacted, sir.
Yes. You can try to search about me sa Google.
Yeah.
Fervil Von. So my website is fervilvon.com. But on Facebook, I also usually conduct series of seminars and workshops, no, trainings then. So actually on February 8, I have SEO for e-commerce naman doon.
Wow.
On the parang workshop siya for e-commerce, yung mga online stores, yung mga businesses, no? But medyo fluid pa yung for the entire year, but siguro when you try to reach out on Facebook, I could probably parang get in touch with you with regards to mga future activities in 2020. We're looking at conducting series of events within Philippines. Medyo sporadic nga lang The last time we had was in Jensen during
December lang, no? Yung December.
Yung December lang. And then, so stay tuned.
Alright.
Sa social media din.
Alright. Okay, so sir, maraming salamat, Sir
Thank
Fervil. It was a
you.
pleasure. That's all sa inyong mga U3 fans natin, mga baguhan at walang idea sa SEO. Sana marami tayong natutunan. At sa muli, ako Sir JR, and see you on our next videos. Paalam. Peace. Bye-bye.
Bye, you three.